This has truly been a day from hell. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. If you're just tuning in, if you're new here, my name is Miranda and this is Shadow. Getting another late start on Vlogmas today, I feel like it has just kind of been the story of my week so far. If you work a corporate job, you know that Q4 is just absolutely insufferable. So I have been just deep in spreadsheets, essentially. Day 4. Sit. Oh, you smell it? Good sit. All right, can you do it this time? Tell me. No. Speak. Wrong trick, bro. Tell me. Oh, okay, good job. You put some anchor behind that one.
He was building that one up.
We've been keeping the advent calendar on the shelf over here, and throughout the day he just periodically goes and tries to check it out to see if he can sneak a little sniff. Because I lease them in here. You don't need to eat all the treats in the same night, but I guess I'll give you another one. Can you do the trick again? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell. No. No. Speak. Okay, good boy. Good job. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. We're on Advent Calendar Day 5 tomorrow, so you get some more treats tomorrow, buddy. Morning. I am on my way to a hot Pilates class right now. This place over here in Plano called Shine Hot Pilates. It's definitely a hard workout. It's a heated mat Pilates class. It's so good. Pre-workout snack this morning by Rice Krispie Treats because I didn't have anything else. So it will work in a pinch. And I also have my pre-workout, which I need to drink. I feel like I'm being rushed because I think I'm going to be right on time, which basically means I'm going to be late because I have to get one of the little microfiber mat things to put on top of my, oh no, the school zone. Okay, I'm slowing down, I'm slowing down. Ooh, that's really sour. Tomorrow is Blake's parents' Christmas party and I am making sourdough bread and spinach and artichoke dip. It's so good. So I have the sourdough bread prepping right now. It's bulk fermenting, so I don't really have to worry about it for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go into my mat Pilates class and I will see you guys right after. This is me after my hot Pilates class. Oh, I need to take a shower. What a good class. Did I do good? No, not really.
I'm feeling especially large.
So I find it difficult sometimes on my joints, but you know what? At least we got up and moved this morning, and that's all that matters. This has truly been a day from hell, work-wise. After I got home from my Pilates class, I noticed I had a this call from my boss. So I immediately had to jump into work, and then I took a shower, and then now it's just been like absolutely crazy. Now it's 1 o'clock. I just ate lunch, and things are still crazy. But what I do need to do is my sourdough is now jiggly and ready for me to shape and put into the fridge. So we're gonna do that really quick. Okay, I am getting ready right now. we are going to go check something off of the Vlogmas bucket list. We are gonna go to what I think is a holiday pop-up bar. It looks like we're gonna find a holiday pop-up bar after all. I know I said I wasn't maybe gonna be able to do it, but it looks like we're gonna make it happen. I absolutely need a drink after the day of work that I've been having today, so this is perfect. Just what I needed. Also, don't roast me for how I do my brows. I literally do them with eyeshadow. I just never got over the 2016 brows, and I've tried out so many different brow looks, and this is just what looks good on me. And I don't care what anybody says because I cannot be convinced to do them any other way.